Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from Northern Maine. Welcome to my channel this morning. Get yourself a cup of coffee. I have got some great news for you and me. Some of it involves a lot of viewers in the past have contributed to this news, have been a part of the channel for a few years now. A lot have been a part for a couple of years. 2 years ago, roughly, I started to have commercials you see on my channel. And the purpose in them commercials was to help support the channel and maybe help with just making sure that I have content in the future and stuff like that. But at that point in time, I wanted to save the money from those commercials as well as donations. Some of the viewers of the channel have donated to this. So that's what today is all about. We started on this project 2 years ago. We raised a little over $800 between donations and the commercials. Nobody's ever going to get rich on the YouTube commercials, from what I can see anyways. You know, who knows, down the road you keep at it long enough, but I doubt it. I believe that they will change the rules and we will always stay at the bottom of the barrel, I guess we'll say. But anyways, the commercials definitely helped. So did the donations. And what we were raising money for and what we were using the commercial money for was to purchase a Snowdog. If you don't know what a Snowdog is, look it up. It is a piece of equipment. All you got to do is Google it or look it up on YouTube and you will find Snowdog. So my wife got in on this. With $800, we were a long ways away from saving money enough to have to be able to purchase the Snowdog. Well, it's Christmas time, and like I said a minute ago, my wife got in on this. I'm still kind of scratching my head because this kind of blows me out of the water. My wife gave me a Snowdog for Christmas. I just don't know how to put it any other way than that. I'm still scratching my head. Maybe I've been a good boy this year. But anyways, she purchased me a long track Snowdog, and I'm going to show you that. And I got into earlier. The $800 and the donations, you can't just buy a Snowdog because you can't ride a Snowdog. A Snowdog is a piece of pulling equipment for ice fishing, pull out a moose, pull out a deer, pull out a bear. You can use them in the summertime, you can use them in the wintertime, but you can't ride it. So, yeah, and you can't walk behind it because you can't walk 30 miles an hour. So they have what's called some Snowdog sleds that hook up to the Snowdog. One has a seat in it and all of that, and they're quite expensive. So we ended up using the $800 that we raised through YouTube and through donations to purchase the 2 sleds that hook up behind the Snowdog. And you can go on forever. I mean, you can put half a dozen sleds behind a Snowdog and have it be a train, which that is my plan. I'm going to buy 1 more sled so that I can use it for hauling out firewood and all of that. So right here, I would like to say thank you very much to my wife. I love you very much. I'm still scratching my head over such a Christmas gift. And I'd like to thank each and every one of the viewers that donated towards this, as well as I'd like to thank you for putting up with those commercials and helping me to purchase the equipment that will go with the dog sled. So now, I'll take this camera down and I'll give you a good view of the dog sled, since it is a new dog for the East Grand Woodsman channel. So, have a cup of coffee, and I hope you had a very good Christmas. And now I will give you a walk around. So now, one of the first things we've got to do is learn how to drive the Snowdog. It handles a little bit different than a snowmobile, and I've been on a snowmobile since I was knee-high to grasshopper, but not one without any skis. So, well, one of the first things, we're just waiting on some fresh ice. As soon as the ice out here on this stream gets stiffened up, then I'll be placing out some beaver traps. I've got a half a dozen spots out here that I know have got beaver in them, so I intend on going out with the Snowdog and setting some beaver traps. And then we've got those pipe staging to drag in to Beaver Creek for the new tree stands, deer stand and bear stand. So I've already got a bigger steel sled rigged up that I'll be able to convert to be able to haul behind this and get that pipe staging hauled in over the winter time. So thank you for coming along. Thank you for helping to support the channel. Thank you for your donations towards the 2 sleds that are hauled behind the Snowdog. And once again, thank you to my wife for helping me live the dream. So, you guys have a great Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I will see you next week.